Is your Spectrum TV app constantly buffering? You're not alone. Buffering typically stems from issues with your internet connection. Let's break down the primary causes and how to fix them. First, check your internet speed using a tool like speedtest.net. For SD streaming, you need 3 to 5 Mbps. HD requires 7 to 10. 4K demands up to 25 Mbps. Spectrum recommends a minimum of 50 Mbps per second for households with multiple connected devices. If your speed is lower than expected, the problem likely lies with your Wi-Fi or internet service. Keep in mind that most buffering issues are due to the user's hardware limitations, not the service. Start by optimizing your Wi-Fi. Ensure your router is centrally located and free from obstructions like walls. Use the 5 GHz band for faster speeds, especially for devices close to the router. Consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system to eliminate dead zones. Check your router settings. Ensure it's running the latest firmware and enable Quality of Service (QoS) to prioritize streaming traffic. Also, clear the app's cache within the app settings and try lowering the stream quality from 4K to 1080p or 720p in the Spectrum TV app settings to reduce the data load. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support and be ready to provide your speed test results and details about your home network setup. As of 2025, the Spectrum app also includes built-in diagnostics to help pinpoint issues. Run this before contacting support.